In this video, I'll show you how to graph the line giving a point and a slope. To graph a line, you need a slope and a point. That's all you need. So let's look at this example. We're giving you a slope equal to minus 3/4 passing to the point minus 1, 2. So here's the slope. Slope is minus 3/4. Remember, the slope means changing in y over changing in x. So I'm going to write down changing in y over changing in x. Okay? Now, the minus 3/4, I can always rewrite this as 3 over minus 4. It's the same value, I just move the minus sign in the bottom. Okay? So to do this here, first, we plot the point minus 1, 2 right here. Now the minus 3 is mean changing y, so therefore I will go down by minus 3. And the positive 4 mean I'm changing x by 4, so therefore I'll move to the right by 4. Okay, remember y is where we go up and down, x is where we go left or right. So you have minus, mean I'm going down. It's a positive and going up. Same here. You have positive, you go to the right. If minus, you go to the left. So the case here, we have minus 3, and then going down by 3. So I start out at the point, go down 1, 2, 3. Then go to the right by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here is a new point. So I'm going to use this font color. So I got right here is a new point. Now you see that I have 2 points, so I can draw a line. Now if you like to be safe, you can always use this information here. This here means I'm changing y by 3 positive, so I go up, and then here means I go to the left on the x. So I start at this point, I'm going to up by 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the left by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have no points. Now I'm connect all the 3 points together. I don't have a ruler. My ruler won't work on my screen here, but this will be a graph. If you have a ruler, it will look nicer. Let's try to solve. Look at this. We want to graph the equation by plotting the intercept. Once again, intercept is the point that crosses on either x or y. So x-intercept is where the graph of the equation crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is where the graph of the equation crosses the y. So let's look at this graph. This graph we have x and y-intercept. This is the point for the the y-intercept. This is x-intercept. This is the x-intercept right here, and this also the x-intercept. Okay. Now to find the x-intercept. The x-intercept is where the point x is some number and y is always 0. So to solve for x-intercept, we set y equal to 0 and solve for x. When we want to find a y-intercept, it's the point where x equal to 0 and y equal to some value. To do that, we set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Okay? So let's look at this example. I want to graph this equation by using x and y-intercept. So first, I'm going to find the x-intercept. Once again, to find x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. So I have minus x plus 2 times 0 equal to 4. So I have minus x equal to 4. Then we're going to simplify the minus that in front of the x by either multiply by minus 1 or divide by minus 1. You do either or. In this case, I divide by minus 1, I have minus 4. So this means that when x equal to 0, y is minus 4. that is the x-intercept. So be -4 is x, y is 0. So that is the x-intercept. Now to find a y-intercept, find y-intercept, we set x equals 0. So I have -0 plus 2y equal to 4, but this is 0, so I have 2y equal to 4, and then divide by 2, so y equal to 2. So when x equals 0, y is 2. So I have 2 point x and y-intercept that is enough for us to graph a line. Let's go here to graph a line. When x equal to -4, y is 0. So right here is the x-intercept. For y-intercept is when x equal to 0, y 2. So right here. So now I will join the 2 point. I got a line. Okay.